Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find social science books on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I will going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You go to the lower bar, tap to the third button, the Discover, and the Browse All section. You can find the third row and click to the third option, the social sciences. In the category section, you can find different topics, for example, archaeology, violence, discrimination, immigration, and others. And if you want to save a book for later, click to the bookmark icon. You can check the rating and you can find a short description about the book. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.